Hey guys, I am back with another video. It has been a minute. So if you guys been keeping up with my channel, you guys know that I have been doing this podcast class in my Facebook group. So you guys probably seen some of those videos uploaded to my channel. So of course, if you are interested in learning about podcasting from a real person, you definitely want to check out those videos. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how it is to be a social media manager. Okay, so here recently I have basically become a social media manager. It kind of just seemed like the right thing to do. I have been on the internet and creating stuff online for years. And when I say for years, y'all, I mean for years. I've been on the internet since Black Planet and Yahoo groups, okay? So it's only right that I would want to do and enjoy doing something that's on the internet. So somebody referred me to a company to be their social media manager based on the simple fact that I know a lot of stuff online, that I create stuff online, and they know me. So I have been a social media manager since about the middle of December. Yeah, right? Great, right? Right in the middle of a pandemic. So I'm just going to chat a little bit about what it's like to be a social media manager. So you really have to love social media to be a social media manager. Because even when you are not working, you're seeing content out in the world. I mean, I'm in a grocery store and I can think of Reels. I think of TikToks. But a lot of times I don't ever do them because that's not the type of company I work for. But at the same time, like, I be thinking about like, you always thinking about content. So one of the really good things that I love about being a social media manager is that I can literally pull together all my content for 30 days. I can pull it together for 1 week, 2 weeks. You can pull together all your content at once, depending on what day it is. If it's a holiday that month, whatever it is, you can pull all your sources together and create the content beforehand. And I would say that's probably the best thing I love about doing social media. So my main strategy, it's all these videos about all these strategies and the right time of day. My strategy is videos. Simple as that. All platforms want to be streaming platforms. That's all they want to do. They want to be like the stream. So that means they want content. That means content is always going to be king. That means that they're going to promote videos over anything else. Videos over a good picture. Videos over anything. So, and you want stuff that's shareable. So my main strategy is to make everything a video. I use all the content from my, from my client, and I make snippet videos for the whole week. At least one snippet video a day. So I even like it where you can create content. Basically, I make the quotes. I use the quotes. I even make the quotes a video. Make the words move around or whatever the case may be. Maybe have a little, GIF or person coming here, whatever the case may be. Make those quotes move. Then I will find different memes that I feel like those expressions can relate to the particular niche of content. And I make those memes into videos. Memes are kind of weird when it comes to uploading them on Instagram because your videos have to be at least 3 seconds. And a lot of memes are about 2 seconds. So just to avoid that, I make all my memes into videos. That is the best way to do it. Just make them to videos, drop them on a Premiere Pro timeline, and keep it moving. That's the best way to do it. And then, of course, I always have those, mini promos in there, telling them to buy something, purchase something, or whatever the case may be. Now, it is more stuff that I would like to do as a social media manager, but sometimes it's kind of, I would say the one thing that's hard about it is having that person's personal information and it getting compromised. And I'm the type of person I don't memorize passwords because I don't want to memorize anybody else's information. And I try to be extremely extremely honest with all that stuff. But if I could, I would say 3 things that I would like to do more with my particular client is to make reels, you are unable to make reels through, through Facebook, because I handle Instagram through Facebook because, they all connected. And I would like to make more stories, reels, and comment and like more on other people's stuff. But the limits of what Facebook allows you to do is very, very minimum. You can post at best. But I have my ideas down. Lately, I've been working on a LinkedIn strategy. So basically, I post for Instagram, Facebook groups, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Yeah, so I post for all those platforms. The one thing I hate about LinkedIn is LinkedIn does not allow you to schedule stuff. So I can't schedule anything on LinkedIn. I have to wake up every morning before 8 o'clock. I set the post in my computer at night, and then I have to be ready to post in the morning. And the reason why is because that 8 o'clock hour is a special hour. So that's why I said I have to wait into that particular hour. These are the types of sounds you hear when you, yeah. Anyway, so that's life as a social media manager. So if I had to give anybody tips, 5 tips, because y'all know I love the number 5. If I had to give you 5 tips on being a good social media manager, my 5 tips, and y'all, this off the top of my head because I woke up this morning like, I need to make a video. I'm going to just make a video, keep it real, make this video. So if I had to say something right off the top of my head, 5 tips on being a social media manager. 1, you must love it. I mean, love it. You must not get tired of it. Love it, love it, love it. Always thinking of content. Think of content, store it, have a notebook somewhere like this where you can store that content later, store your ideas, write your ideas down because it's always going to be useful. Y'all ain't going to remember these because I'm saying off the top of my head, but y'all see. 3rd, okay, stick to videos. Videos. Videos is your best friend. If it's a video, it's the video. Just do video. Make everything a video at the end of the day. And then you wonder why reels get so much traction because those are videos. And number four, always communicate. Always communicate what you want the client or person to do. Like, I need you to take videos of this. I need you to make sure you turn your camera sideways, right? Or I need you to do a Facebook Live because there's only so much a social media manager can do. I can't transform into the client and do it for them. So you definitely want to make sure you always communicate. I love communication. Communication is key in everything you do in life, in love, in everything. It's communication. And 5, last but not least, I am in a few social media groups and social media agency informational groups. You can create your own social media agency. My number 5 tip is if you are not a creative person, start binge watching some of these videos. Read up on the difference with graphics design. Take a LinkedIn learning course on graphic design. Learn that yellow should never go on top of white and white should never go. Start learning a spectrum of different colors. Learn a little bit and understand about color coding. Get some creativity and some imagination in your head. But you have to, in order to do that, you have to inform yourself, right? Go online and search and stuff. So you definitely want to, if you don't have that graphic design mind or that artistic mind, you definitely want to research things on how colors and lines and what circles and triangles. Yes, boo, circles and triangles all mean something in graphic design. So you definitely want to make sure you do your research on that to kind of inspire you to get creative, and come up with brand colors and a brand font. This way that you know how to continuously make imagery for somebody or for clients. So right now I'm currently helping one of my friends put together her social media strategy. And, I've been helping people do, YouTube videos and I'll be staying busy. But the one I love most is doing the social media managing. So if you guys are interested in being a social media manager or again, podcasting, because I know I love podcasting. Let me know in the comments, is there anything else you want to know, any questions you have? I will answer those questions. But other than that, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching. This your girl, Prina. All things, no niche.